Hi, it's Zach here, and I've got a question for you. Are you ready to have the cleanest, shiniest floors you've ever had? Well, we have got a deal for you. It's on the Sienna Luna Steam Mop. This is a super powerful steam mop that does hardwood floors, pergo, tile, any kind of hard floor that you might have, and it does it super simple and effectively. All you have to do is add water, plug it in, and turn it on, and the steam will start coming out in less than a minute, and you're ready to start mopping. Now, a full tank of water in here will last for about 20 minutes of steam cleaning, which is perfect for getting just a couple rooms done, so you probably won't even have to refill while you're cleaning. Now, unlike other steam cleaners on the market, this actually allows you to clean more than hard floors. It comes with this attachment that goes right over the mop that allows you to glide over carpeting as well, which cleans them and deodorizes them. Now, this is great if you have an entire room full of carpeting, or if you like me and you have area rugs in your home. It's a quick and easy way to make sure that they are nice and clean. Now, this also uses vibration technology, which complements the steam cleaning. What that does is it vibrates the ground and lifts up all that loose dirt and debris so you can mop it up and get rid of it entirely. Now, this also has an LED light on it, so if there's some areas in your home that are a little less well lit, it's going to light them up so you can see exactly what you're cleaning, but it also has a black light on there which will show you messes that are invisible to the naked eye so you can get those cleaned up as well. The Sienna Luna Steam Mop uses microfiber heads, which are super easy to put on. It's all used with Velcro, and they're machine washable, so you can toss these in the washing machine to get them nice and clean, and you get two included with this deal. Now, one of my favorite parts about this is the super maneuverable head. It goes up and down and left and right, which makes it super easy to get behind and underneath furniture without having to get on your hands and knees. And putting this away is a breeze as well. You have a cord wrap on here to make everything nice and organized, and it locks in an upright position so you can stick it right inside of your closet. Now, this is a refurbished model, but I took one home and I've been using it non-stop, and it works just like brand new. And there are a variety of different colors. There is no color choice available, but as you can see, it's really just an accent color. Plus, we have a fantastic deal on this, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.